A new video has emerged from Iran and it is sending a very powerful message across the Muslim world. Well, the footage shows a military launch that Tehran claims is the hypersonic capable Fateh. That's right, flames burst from the launch pad. The missile shoots upwards at incredible speed and dramatic music plays in the background. Here, Iranian state media presents it as a proof that the country is now possessing a weapon that can move at extraordinary speed and potentially evade traditional missile defense systems. Well, hypersonic weapons, they are described as fastest and more maneuverable than any other conventional ballistic missile. In simple terms, they are designed to be harder to track and harder to intercept. Well, whether every claim matches the battlefield reality is something military experts continue to debate here. But the psychological impact of such a demonstration, it is undeniable. By releasing this footage at a time of heightened tensions, Iran appears to be signaling confidence and capability to both the United States and Israel. Well, the broadcast, it did not stop with just one system here. Iranian media also aired images of other ballistic missile launch, including the Emad, alongside references to variants from the Qadr missile family. Multiple launches, multiple camera angles, and repeated messaging created a very clear narrative. Iran wants the world to see its missile arsenal in action. Of course, the timing is significant. The region is already tensed with exchanges of strike, rising rhetoric, and fears of broader escalation. Here, Iranian officials have begun speaking about the possibility of a longer war, suggesting that they are preparing their population for sustained confrontation rather than a short conflict. By showcasing advanced missile system, Tehran is reinforcing the idea that it has both the tools and determination to continue. Well, for Israel and the US, this development raises strategic questions. Both the countries rely on layered missile defense systems designed to intercept the incoming threat. Well, claims of hypersonic capability naturally lead to fresh assessments. How effective are existing defenses and how quickly can they adapt? Ladies and gentlemen, the defense analysts around the globe, they are now very carefully examining the footage to determine whether the launch represents a test, an operational deployment, or primarily a symbolic show of force. In fact, beyond the immediate military implications, there are also political and psychological dimensions here. Inside Iran, such displays, they can strengthen the domestic morale, specifically during times of external pressure. Internationally, the release of high-profile missile footage, it shifts the headlines and shapes the perception. In the end, in modern conflict, perception can influence deterrence just as much as actual firepower. The broader concern is escalation. When one side highlights advanced weapons, rivals often respond to enhancing their own capabilities. Well, this dynamic can quietly fuel an arms race, increasing the tension and narrowing the window for diplomatic solution. In the whole region that is already burning, every new missile test or public demonstration, it adds another layer of uncertainty, right? Well, the release of Fateh missile video is more than just a military announcement. It is a statement of intent, a signal in a rapidly evolving confrontation as rhetoric intensifies and military posture harden. The central question remains, will these displays strengthen deterrence or push the entire region closer to a wider conflict?